Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of transformed discarded wood design ideas to create elegant home decor with purpose. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The transformation of discarded wooden materials into elegant, purposeful pieces that enhance the warmth, character, and sophistication of home decor is a testament to the beauty of creativity and sustainability. As the world increasingly recognizes the importance of eco-conscious living, the art of upcycling has gained prominence, especially when it comes to wooden items that might otherwise be destined for landfills. Each piece of discarded wood carries its own unique story, texture, and history, offering artisans an exceptional canvas to create stunning decor that not only serves functional purposes, but also adds aesthetic value to any space. The process begins with a thoughtful selection of materials, where artisans carefully choose pieces of wood that exhibit interesting grains, colors, and imperfections. These characteristics are not seen as flaws, but rather as elements that contribute to the unique charm of each creation. For example, a weathered barnwood plank, with its rustic patina and rich history, can be transformed into a striking wall art piece that evokes feelings of nostalgia and warmth. This transformation is more than just a physical alteration. It is an artistic journey that reconnects people with the beauty of natural materials and the stories they hold. As artisans engage in the process of crafting wooden art decor, they are not only concerned with aesthetics, but also with functionality. The goal is to create pieces that serve a purpose in the home while elevating the overall decor. A discarded wooden crate, for instance, can be reimagined as a stylish bookshelf or a decorative planter, merging form and function seamlessly. This duality enhances the appeal of upcycled wooden pieces, attracting consumers who value practicality alongside beauty. The elegance of these transformed items lies in their ability to blend into various design styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern minimalist. A chic wooden wall sculpture can serve as a focal point in a contemporary living room, while a beautifully crafted wooden bowl can add warmth to a dining table, inviting family and friends to gather around it. This versatility is a key selling point, as it allows consumers to incorporate these unique pieces into their homes regardless of their existing decor. Moreover, the allure of wooden art decor lies in its ability to infuse spaces with character and personality. Each piece is a reflection of the artisan's vision, skill, and passion, making it distinct from mass-produced alternatives. When consumers invest in handcrafted wooden items, they are not merely purchasing a product. They are acquiring a piece of art that resonates with their values and emotions. This connection fosters a deeper appreciation for the item, as it is imbued with the artisan's creativity and commitment to sustainability. The stories behind each piece, whether it's a reclaimed wood table adorned with intricate carvings or a simple yet elegant wooden wall art, create narratives that resonate with buyers, inviting them to be part of the story. This emotional connection is a powerful driver in the market, as consumers increasingly seek items that reflect their identities and aspirations. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to character and warmth, the sophistication of wooden art decor is often enhanced through thoughtful design and craftsmanship. Artisans frequently experiment with various techniques, such as carving, engraving, or combining different types of wood to create visually striking contrasts. The process of layering finishes, from natural oils to vibrant stains, allows for a range of aesthetic possibilities, elevating the final product to a level of sophistication that rivals traditional artworks. For instance, a piece that features a smooth, polished surface combined with rough, textured elements can create a dynamic visual experience that captures the eye and sparks conversation. This attention to detail not only showcases the artisan's skill, but also highlights the beauty of the materials themselves, emphasizing the natural patterns and colors of the wood. As the market for sustainable and handcrafted goods continues to grow, the potential for selling these wooden art pieces expands significantly. Consumers are increasingly drawn to products that align with their values, making the storytelling aspect of each piece an essential marketing tool. Artisans can leverage social media platforms to share their creative process, the inspiration behind their designs, and the sustainability practices they employ. By connecting with their audience on a personal level, artisans can cultivate a loyal customer base that appreciates the artistry and thoughtfulness that goes into each creation. This direct engagement also allows for valuable feedback, enabling artisans to refine their offerings and cater to evolving consumer preferences. Furthermore, collaborations with interior designers and home decor retailers can open new avenues for selling wooden art decor. By partnering with professionals in the industry, artisans can showcase their creations in curated environments, allowing potential buyers to see how these pieces enhance various design aesthetics. This exposure not only increases visibility, but also positions artisans as key players in the home decor market, where unique and sustainable options are in high demand. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs, art shows, and online marketplaces provides artisans with opportunities to connect with a wider audience, share their stories, and sell their creations directly to consumers who value quality craftsmanship. The impact of transforming discarded wood into elegant decor goes beyond aesthetics and functionality. It also contributes to a broader cultural shift towards sustainability and mindful consumption. As more individuals become aware of the environmental implications of their purchasing choices, the appeal of upcycled wooden art decor grows. By choosing to invest in these unique pieces, consumers actively. This ripple effect not only amplifies the impact of sustainable living, but also empowers individuals to engage in meaningful, creative endeavors that elevate their home environments. The journey of transforming discarded wooden materials into elegant, purposeful pieces is not merely about crafting decor. It is a celebration of artistry, sustainability, and connection. Each creation embodies a blend of history and innovation, where the past meets the present in a beautiful dance of design. By embracing the uniqueness of reclaimed wood and the stories it holds, artisans can craft pieces that resonate deeply with consumers, inviting them to enrich their homes with warmth, character, and sophistication. The potential for selling these wooden art decor items lies not only in their physical attributes, but also in the narratives they carry and the values they represent. As the world continues to embrace sustainable practices and seek out meaningful connections, the allure of handcrafted wooden decor will undoubtedly thrive, inspiring both artisans and consumers to celebrate the beauty of transformation and creativity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked transformed discarded wood design ideas to create elegant home decor with purpose. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.